Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's tutorial we are going to see parent tool in After Effects. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and please share. I have created this Ferris wheel in Illustrator and saved in different layers. Each element which is going to be animated is saved in different layers. So let's go to After Effects and let's animate it. So let's first create the composition and import the Illustrator file which we have created. Import it as a composition and keep the layer size as it is. Yep, now open the composition. So what I want to do first is rotate this wheel and the cars I wanted to follow it. So let's go first to the wheel layer, select it, press R for rotation on your keyboard. Let's add a keyframe on the first frame. Let's go to the end of the timeline and give a rotation of 360 degree. That's one complete rotation. Okay. So it's rotated nice and slow. Yeah. Now I want the cars to follow the wheel. But if I rotate the cars individually, they will rotate around their own axis, which I don't want. We need to use the parent tool to follow the cars to the wheel. But before that, first we want to adjust the anchor point of each car, because I want them to turn from this point. So select pan behind tool or press Y on your keyboard. So move the anchor point to this point where it's hanging from the top. Now to fix the anchor point of all the cars, we don't need to do it manually. So for that, we will copy the anchor point we have just adjusted. And paste it to all the cars layers like this. Yeah. We might need to adjust the position of the cars a little bit. So there you go. All the cars have the right anchor point placed at the right place. Now we need to parent all the cars to the wheel. So let's select all the cars first. You just need to select the parent tool here called Pick Whip and just hold and drag and release it on the wheel layer. That's it. Now the cars will follow the wheel. Let's check it. Yeah, they are following the wheel. The wheel is the parent to the children's ear. You can see it here. So if the wheel is rotating, the cars will rotate, and yeah, so that looks a little awful. The individual cars will also have their own rotation. So let's fix it. So let's select all the cars layers. Press R on your keyboard to add keyframe to the rotation. So let's add the keyframe at the 0 frame first, and at the same time we will go to the end of the timeline where we added a keyframe to the wheel and add -1 because they are rotating the opposite direction. Yeah, it's looking great now. That's what we want. So yeah, that's the parent tool in After Effects. So keep in mind that what your parent does, the children will follow and they will do the same thing. Now if you want to add some background to your animation, you can add it. You can import any background image and add it, and that's how it's done. So yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and like and share. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and please share. See you next time. Thank you.